Yo, what's going on, everyone? Want to do a quick review of this DeForest Buckner jersey that I bought off of ECseller.ru. And I actually have a side-by-side comparison with a legitimate store-bought NFL on-field jersey, a Namaro Bowman. And this one is, of course, not a color rush jersey. First impressions of this Buckner jersey, I got to say I was very impressed. Everything, kind of all the critical elements that you would look for, the alignment of the lettering, the stitching around the numbers and the lettering on the back of the jersey, everything is lined up really well. Seems very solidly stitched on there, like nothing's going to fall off, even if it's washed many times over. Um, Moving forward, the little subtle stripes on the arm, the Nike logo matches really exceptionally well with the actual legitimate, again, store-bought version of the jersey. And this is a slightly different version, being that it's the color rush, but overall, just drawing what conclusions I can. One of the biggest differences that I've noticed is actually the material itself between the jersey. And I would imagine this is a bit of a given that you're getting a knockoff jersey. Feels a little bit cheaper, and it's obviously not quite of the same quality. In addition to that, the pattern of the jersey is actually a little bit different. You can kind of see the mesh runs all up and down the side of the legitimate jersey, and it's kind of opposite on the knockoff jersey. You got a little bit up in the armpit area, and then a little bit down in the chest and the lower back area as well. That all aside, like I said, the big things look really good with this jersey. The lettering, the name on the back, everything's really straight, really well stitched on there. Couple minor differences that I did notice, really subtle things. Biggest one would be the difference between this little rubberized NFL logo. You can see that one is pretty legitimate looking, a little bit raised up, nice and solid. The one on the knockoff looks a little cheap, to be quite honest with you. It's already a little bit bent in the middle from the packaging, and it just looks a little bit worse for wear compared to the rest of the jersey. But again, this is a really subtle, minor thing, and it's not a big takeaway from the jersey as a whole. On that same note, it's actually hard to see it right here, but it's ever so slightly off center as well, which is a bit unfortunate. So that would probably be the number one biggest flaw with this jersey, and for the price, that is more than acceptable by my standards. So again, all in all, really an excellent product for the price from ECseller.ru, and I would recommend them and actually plan myself to use them again in the not too distant future.